In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for content creators. By the end, you'll know how to find a ready-made setup and make it your own so you can plan, track, and publish content with less friction. First, open Notion and look to the very top left of your screen. Click the small drop-down arrow there. This expands the main sidebar and reveals quick access to key tools. It's an easy way to navigate your workspace and discover features you might not use every day. From this menu, click on Templates. Templates are a huge time saver for creators because they bundle proven page structures and databases like content calendars, idea banks, and pipelines, so you don't have to build from scratch. Next, in the gallery that opens, click on Templates again to browse the full marketplace. This is where you'll find a wide range of layouts created by Notion and the community. You can preview them, read descriptions, and see what's included before you commit. Think about your creative process as you look around. Do you need a simple publishing checklist, a multi-platform calendar, or a complete production pipeline? Now, use the search bar at the top and type content creation. This narrows the results to templates designed for planning ideas, drafting scripts or captions, tracking status across stages like ideation, drafting, editing, and publishing, and even logging analytics. Skim through the options and open a few previews. Look for clear properties such as status, due date, platform, and owner, and a calendar or board view you like. If you work solo, simplicity might be best. If you collaborate, make sure the template supports multiple contributors and handoffs. When you find one that fits, select the template and click Add. Notion will add it directly to your workspace, usually in the sidebar. This gives you a complete starting point in just a few seconds, with pages and databases already wired together. If there are versions or options, choose the one that matches your workflow. Otherwise, the default is fine. From here, you can edit the template to match your style and process. Rename pages so they feel familiar. Update any sample entries with your real ideas and tweak properties, like changing status labels to match your stages, adding a platform field for where you publish, or inserting priority and effort so you can sort smarter. Adjust views too. Switch to a calendar for scheduling, a board for pipeline flow, or a list for quick triage. As you refine, keep only what you'll actually use and remove anything that clutters your view. That's it. Your content system is live and ready to go.